Okay, let's continue to question number 3. So, as you can see, question number 3, it says solve the logarithm of x minus 21 is equal to 2 minus log x. All right, so what we have to do is first, we have to combine like terms. I have log x here, and then I have log of x minus 21 here. So the first step is log of, right, um, x minus 21, and then this minus will be turned into plus log of x equals to 2. All right, so I have to remember one rule now here. Okay, this is addition. So addition uses the product rule. Okay, the product rule of logarithm. So if I have log of x plus log of y, this is log of x times y. Okay, so I have to multiply this one with x, and then I have to use one log. Okay, so log of, right, x minus 21 times um, x. Okay, this is just 1. I multiply these two, equals to 2. All right, equals to 2. So when I multiply this x minus 21 times x, this is gonna give me like this: log of, right, um, x squared minus 21x equals to 2. Okay, equals to 2. So this is obviously base 10. Okay, this box right here, the base is common logarithm. If I don't have anything here, that means I understand that that's 10. So I have to remember one rule here. Okay, if this is 10, 10 the power of 2 will be this part right here. So that means uh, 10 the power of 2 equals to, right, x squared minus 21x, right? Because this is 10. I assume there is 10 here, but it is common because this common logarithm. The power of 2 equals to x squared minus 21x. So if I rearrange this one, this will obviously give me like this. Okay, x squared minus 21x. Okay, this is 100. 10 squared is 100. If I move it to the right, it's gonna be minus 100 equals to 0. Okay, so I have to notice that, or I have to recognize this is a quadratic equation. So you know how to solve this quadratic equation from your previous discussions. So simply use the sum and product method. X minus 25, there are two numbers. When I multiply them, they give me 100, and when I add them, they give me negative 21. Those numbers are negative 25 and x plus 4, okay, is equal to 0. So 4 times negative 25 is negative 100. 4 plus negative 25 is negative 21. So we are almost at the final step. So this is going to be x minus 25 equals to 0, or again x plus 4 equals to 0, right? Right. So the solution is going to be now x is equal to 25, or x equal to negative 4. Okay, this is my final answer. But remember that these are the two answers. Every time you can just accept this, you have to go ahead and then plug in into the x values, and then you will see which one is the right answer. Okay, which one is the right answer. I leave that part for you. Okay, I leave that part for you. All right. The next one is question number 4. It says find find r if my question is like this. Okay, find r. So if I have logarithm of 4 plus z, right, equals to logarithm of 10 r minus 2. Okay, 10 minus 2. All right, so now this is logarithm of 4 plus z equals to logarithm of 10 r minus 2. So we have to find or we have to solve for the r. All right, so when you see something like this, this is very straightforward. I can just simply cancel log with log, right? Log with log. So I remain with the following. Okay, look out from this one. I have 4 plus z equals to 10r minus 2, right? 10 minus 2. So if I bring this negative 2 to the left side, that's gonna be 4 plus z plus 2. Okay, remember this is 2, this is z. I put this line to differentiate z and 2. Be careful, is equal to 10r. Okay, 10r. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus z. This part is gonna be 6 plus z equals to 10r simply. So then finally I'll divide both sides by 10. Both sides by 10. So this finally will give me r equals to 6 plus z over 10. Okay, this is going to be my last answer. Okay, excellent. So let's continue again to question number 4. Okay, um, question number 4 is as follows. Okay, so remember, logarithm of 3 plus x minus logarithm of x plus 8 is equal to logarithm of 5. Okay, as always, remember the rule of logarithm. This is subtraction. Subtraction follows the quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule. So that means I have to divide this 3 plus x over x plus 8. That means this is it. Logarithm of, because remember this one, log of x minus log of y is the same as log of x over y. Okay, this is the rule. This is the rule of logarithm. You have to remember. So this is going to be now 3 plus x, right, over x plus 8 equals to logarithm of 5. Logarithm of 5. Okay. So what will happen is this. What will happen is this, right? This logarithm will cancel with this logarithm. So this is something beautiful equation I left with. So what I have to do is simply 3 plus x, right, equals to, remember this is 1 over 1, this x cross multiplication, this multiplied by 5. So that means 5 into x plus 8. I changed this into linear now, straight line equation. Okay, now let's keep going something now. This is gonna be 3 plus x equals to, use the distributive property here, 5x plus 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, this will take me to this, right? So combine like terms. Okay, combine like terms. So what I have to do is simply I can move x to the right and then the number to the left. So that will give me 3 minus 40 equals to 5x minus x, right? So 3 minus 40 is negative 37, right? Negative 37 um, equals to 4x simply. Okay, 4x. Now divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. This is equal to x equals to negative 37 over 4 is gonna be your answer. Okay, so this is simply algebraic. Okay, and the rule of logarithm, you have to remember both at the same time. Okay, at the same time. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this is solve 3e to the power of 4c plus 5 is equal to 8d. Okay, we are going to solve for c. Remember, e is here now. Okay, e. Okay, this is e. Now, what I have to do is first I have to eliminate the 3 by dividing both sides by 3, because I don't need this 3 here. Okay, I'm going to solve for c. So to get to c, I have to just clear everything around e. So just, I mean, around c. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So this will give me, this will cancel, e the power of 4c plus 5 equals to 8 over 3d, guys. Okay, now remember, when you have e with exponent something 4c plus 5 right here, I want to bring this 4c plus 5 down. To do so, I have to multiply by ln, both of them. Okay, both by ln. Okay, multiply both by ln. All right, so what ln does is basically it brings this 4c plus 5 down, and then it cancels this one. Okay, the e. So if I multiply the first side by ln, this the left side, this one by ln, it simply brings 4c plus 5. but the ln in the right side will work something like this: 8 over 3 times d. Okay, all right. Now the next is, look, remember I'm looking for c, so I have to subtract 5 from both sides. So this will leave me with 4c equals 2 minus 5 from both sides. Remember, minus 5 from both sides. So ln of 8 third, okay, of d, right, d minus 5. Okay, now divide by 4, both sides by 4, divide by 4. So this will give me now c equals to ln of 8 over 3d minus 5 over 4. Okay, this is my final answer. Okay, this is c is solved like this, right? Okay, excellent. Let's keep going. Keep going, doing more examples. Number 7. Okay, number 7 is here. So this is base 3. Okay, this is base 3, and then this is addition. Remember, addition multiplies. I mean, addition changes into multiplication. So keep everything. Okay, the base. This will be changing. Let me use the black marker. That will be more clear. Log of, right? X minus 3 base 3 multiplied by x minus 3 equals to 0. I multiply this part and then this part. I use just one log base 3. Okay, so if I multiply this, that will definitely give me logarithm base 3 of x squared. This is gonna be, if you multiply x squared minus x times minus 3 is minus 3x, another minus 3 times x is minus 3x. This is gonna be minus 6x. Okay, plus negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9 equals to 0, right? Excellent. Now the next step is, this is now my base 3 the power of 0 is gonna be this part right here. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, 3 the power of 0 equals to x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, so any number the power of 0 is 1. Remember, this one is just 1. Okay, I have 1 here. So if I bring that 1 to the right side, it's gonna be negative 1, and then I have positive 9 here, positive 9 here. I definitely have positive 8. So, or this means that what I'm saying is x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 1 equals to 0 on the left side. So it doesn't matter if this is in the left side or in the right side. So I can write this further here as follows. Just nicely, x squared minus 6x, 9 minus 1 is plus 8 equals to 0. Yay. So this is quadratic. Okay, this is quadratic as always. So what I'm gonna do is I open two parentheses. Okay, this is x, this is x. Now, as always, I have to look for two numbers that can give me 8 when I multiply them, and then give me negative 6 when I add them. Those two numbers are obviously negative 2 and negative 4. Okay, if you multiply them, they will be positive 8. If I add them, they will be negative 6. This equals to 0, right? So now the zero sum property, so that means x minus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0, right? So your x is gonna be 2, or your x is gonna be 4. Okay, so your answer is x equal to 2, and then is equal to 4. All right, excellent. Okay, the next one is, we almost done this one. So this is, well, this is very straightforward. So we know that from the rule of log of x b equals to y, if we have something like this, this is basically mean b the power of y is equal to x simply. So as you can see here, 9 the power of 6 is just x, right? So I can rearrange this one as exponent form. 9 the power of 6 is equal to x. So this is simply mean 9 the power of 6 is just 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 equals to just x. This is equal to x equals to, if you multiply 3, I mean 6 times, just you get some number. I just leave this one for you, just enjoy, I know. just use a calculator and then just you can simply answer it. Okay, I leave that work for you. Okay. Okay, the last, not the last actually. There are two more. Okay, so we very close. So look at this now. This is base 2. This is base. This is 32, okay? So 2 to the power of 3 plus 2x is equal to 32. Whenever you have something like this, what you have to do is you have to bring both of them to the same base, okay? You need to have the same base in both sides of the equality. So just keep the left side as is, okay? 3 plus 2x, right? All right. So now you have to think about 32, okay? It must be base 2. So what exponent will give you 32 for base 2? That's 5, right? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times is 32. Oh, now the target is, okay, you have 1x here. That x will cancel with this 1x. So simply you have the exponents equal 3 plus 2x is equal to simply just 5, okay? Now, in the left side, you have 2x, right? You subtract 3 from both sides. 5 minus 3 is going to be in this side. So this is simply 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 is simply 2, right? So this will give you 2x is equal to 2. Now divide by 2, divide by 2. Your x value is just 1. You solve x as 1, okay? Excellent. Let's continue. Let's continue. Well, this is straightforward. This is just simply substitution. As you can see from here, the cost function of a certain product item is given by this equation. Okay, you don't have to worry about this one. This is just the equation given to you. So find the cost of 33 items. So basically you are calculating C of 33. So what does that mean is just simply you go ahead and find X and then plug in 33 by instead of X. So that means, okay, C, whenever you see X, just plug in 33, C of 33 equals to, this is X, okay, I'm gonna plug that 33, the power of 3 minus 6 times, okay, this is 33, the whole square, plus 4 times 33, okay? So all you have to do is now just apply the calculator, use the calculator. This is just multiplication. So I just still, like the previous question, I'm gonna leave this for you. 33 times 33 times 33 is gonna be a number. Everything is a number. There is no difficulty on this one. Just tell me the answer here, okay? Tell me the answer here. Okay, the last question. Okay, the last question for today is this. So it's kind of similar like the one of the previous problems. You have base 3 here. You have to think about writing this one into base 3. Then you will see what exponents to equate. 3 into 8x equals to 243. Okay, 243 is what? Well, the base of 3, obviously. So what is going to be this exponent to give you 243 is just the challenging part, okay? So, well, obviously you have to check 3 times 3 is not, well, 3 times 3 is not 243. Just add another 3. It's not, again as another 3, and until you get this number, okay? Until you get number, if you don't know exactly what that number is. So obviously, if you check this one, when you go 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 is gonna give you 243. Okay, so that means 3, 8, the x is equal to 3 the power of 5. Okay, so this 3 will cancel with this 3. So 8x equals to 5. And then the x value is x is equal to 5 over 8. You divide both sides by 8, both sides by 8. So 5 over 8 is the answer. Okay, so I hope you enjoy today's discussion. With little more study, you will be okay. Have a great day.